Hello everyone, thanks for joining us. My name's Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio, and today we're going to be talking about how to properly use your sound masking generator. We've done a similar video in the past, but we have recently updated our media players and our amplifiers and did a redesign on the sound masking generator itself. So what is a sound masking generator? So just to talk about that a little bit, it's used in sound masking applications where speech privacy is desired. We see that a lot in offices, clinics, therapy offices, things of that nature, where confidential information is being spread throughout the facility. Maybe there's conversations that other people shouldn't be hearing, and so sound masking can be a great addition to help keep those conversations more private and less intelligible to others. And so we're just going to talk briefly about how to use it with your system. If you've gotten this far, you probably have talked to a sound engineer to get a system in place that's best for your office, and so this is how you set it up. So we're not going to go into details about how to wire the system. This is really just to talk about the new design of the sound masking generator, which is just a USB. The white noise technology was designed and created by a former sound engineer, and this has been a good product for us over the last couple of years. So this is what it's going to look like. It's just a USB that's in this nice packaging. You open it up and it's a nice USB that opens up. As so, it's labeled. This one happens to be the white noise privacy card. We have different options available of comfort cards of different sounds like ocean and river, Japanese Zen garden, etc. So if you were interested in those, we do have them on our website. So looking at just the practical application of how to use it, there's a media player here on the front. This is an MA series amplifier, and this is our RMA series amplifiers. The media players are slightly different, but they both have USB inputs, as you can see here on the front. So these USB inputs are readers. They read MP3 and WAV files, and so that's what that is going to be used for. So when you go to use this, I already have the amplifier powered on here, and so you're just going to have a screen that says something like BT is not linked. You don't have to worry about any of these buttons for now, because when you insert the white noise generator or whatever sound masking generator you have, it's going to automatically take over the system. To double check and make sure it's in there and it's reading properly, it's going to start counting, and that's just indicating how long it's been inserted into the USB input. So I have the volume all the way turned down. We actually do have a speaker connected, and so at this point you can turn up the master volume and you'll get the white noise coming out of your speaker. So from here, there are some adjustments that you will need to make. The media player has its own volume control. You can control the volume directly from the media player. Our amplifiers do come with remotes. You can adjust the volume with the remotes. And then, of course, you have your master volume for the overall output. So it's going to be a fine tuning of getting the media player volume and the master volume set to a comfortable level for your space. So it's not one size fits all. You'll have to do a little bit of fine tuning once you get your system in place. So that's what we wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, thanks for joining us.